Alright, before the video begins, the other 3 scenario I was working on is finished, but I haven't came up with a thumbnail idea. So anyway, this is a completely different EAS scenario than the other one. Well, I'm gonna make it more analog horror themed. It's like Local 58, for example. So, wish me luck, Cameron. Enjoy watching this video, of course.
Warning. The following video is not for children under the age of 13. The following video also contains loud and valid EAS tones that should not be played over the air. Doing so will result in a fine from the FCC or jail time. Viewer discretion is advised. You have been warned.
This station is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency alert system. Equipment that can alert you quickly during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a national alert, or severe weather, official instructions would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Bowie, Texas area. This concludes this.
While not looking outside, lock all doors and cover all windows. Shut off all electronic devices and smash all plates. They are an entry point for all members are advised to head to the most central part of a building. Under no circumstances should you head outside, no matter how dangerous it is. Do not try to figure out what the threat is.
This is just a test. My life. There is